Hi everyone, my name is 𝗪𝗏 and I'm so excited to introduce you to Nowsite Marketing. Nowsite Marketing is based in Toronto, Canada, and we enable small business owners to build a professional online presence through a fully automated AI-powered system known as 3-Click Marketing. This is our founder and CEO, 𝗬𝗏. Justin graduated magna cum laude in economics from Harvard University, and he has been building tech companies ever since. He started a medical software company right out of school, which was named fastest growing company in Canada, and then took that company public in 2007. He was named Young Entrepreneur of the Year in 2010. Then he started his second tech business, which was a chain of 100 virtual health clinics. He sold that to a private equity group in 2016 and founded Nowsite in early 2017. Ignoring online marketing is like opening a business but not telling anyone. 80% of consumers lose trust in businesses when information online is incorrect or unavailable. Google reports that over 90% of consumers go online to research offline purchases before they buy. This chart shows you total purchases completed with no online research. In the year 2000, about 90% of total purchases were completed with no online research. Fast forward to 2020, and about 10% of total purchases are completed with no online research. Even if you have a traditional offline business, 90% of your prospects are going to research you online. That's why it's now more important than ever to have a professional, complete online marketing presence. You may recognize a few of these businesses. Each one of these businesses cited that not having invested in a strong online presence was the main reason for them closing locations or going out of business completely. Today, 99% of independent business owners do not have a professional online marketing presence. Why? Because of cost and complexity. So every day, small business owners are falling further and further behind large companies. Here are the essentials that you would need to create a professional online presence. First, you need to post great content on social media and drive traffic to a custom website. You need a blog so your website visitors see that you are an expert in your field, and you need SEO, that's search engine optimization, so your website can be found on Google. You need email marketing to keep your business top of mind with your prospects, and you also need retargeting, so if a prospect visits your website, you can continue to advertise to them after they leave, building your brand and bringing them back to your website. You also need a customer relationship management system to keep track of your prospects and detailed analytics to measure the success of your online marketing. But where do you even begin? With Nowsite, creating an online presence has never been easier through a proprietary process we call 3-Click Marketing. With 3-Click Marketing, every proven online marketing strategy is done for you and powered by AI in multiple languages, including English, French, German, and Spanish. Here is a short video so you can see 3-Click Marketing in action. Let's discuss what just happened in that video. With click number 1, we have already curated the most interesting and popular articles and videos about your industry, and we prompt you to post that content on social media. With click number 2, we prompt you to add that content we have curated for you to the blog section of the custom website we have built for your business, and we handle the SEO of your website so prospects can find you on Google. With click number 3, an email newsletter is ready for you to send out to your subscribers. and we have even created a retargeting ad to go out to your website's visitors. Analytics are automatically generated for you so you can track your progress, and your leads go into an integrated CRM so you can easily follow up. It's hard to find things that won't sell online. Nowsite Marketing serves over 200 industries in over 100 countries. Just look at these amazing testimonials. These testimonials are from all different industries: health insurance, business opportunity, cosmetics, credit repair, construction, and travel. As you can see, Royaltie's 3-click marketing system is an amazing way to easily build a complete online marketing presence. But we also understand that independent business owners often work in teams. And so, for leaders that have hundreds or even thousands of people to oversee, we are excited to offer our incredible new Teams feature. Duplication and retention are important to any sales team in any industry. Duplication is the ability to copy your personal sales results across your sales team, while retention is the ability to keep your sales team members active. Duplication of online marketing success is easier than offline marketing, because with the right online marketing tools, your team members don't have to be great speakers or presenters. As the team leader, all you need to do is simply share the proven online tools you use. Sharing these tools has not been possible in other marketing systems, but now our Teams feature makes it easier. That means no more sharing and losing important documents in Facebook groups. With our Teams feature, you can share unlimited external content like videos, documents, images, and links. But more exciting, you can now share the email campaigns, websites, and social media posts that you build in the Nowsite platform with all of your team members in just one click. Imagine how easy it will be for you to onboard and train new team members. Now, when a new team member joins your organization, you now have one updated, perfectly organized place where they can find everything they need to get started marketing the business. Building a great sales team isn't just about recruiting. Even more important is retaining the members of your team for the long term. There is no better way to maximize team member retention than by seeing a detailed breakdown of the marketing performance of each member of your team. Because while a salesperson on your team can tell you what marketing activities they think they are doing, it's far more reliable to see all those analytics yourself in real time. That's why our powerful analytics feature gives you up-to-date cross-platform metrics for each member of your team, like website visitors, blog visitors, ad clicks, and engagement on social media platforms like Facebook and more. You'll see how many leads your salespeople are generating, as well as the interest they are building in their business. No other platform allows you to see all of your team members' individual marketing activities across all relevant marketing platforms. But maybe the most important thing about team analytics is that it will give you, as a team leader, an early warning when a member of your team is at risk of giving up. A few weeks before that happens, you'll start to see that their marketing activity is declining. Less activity, fewer leads, but instead of losing them, you'll now have the exact information you need to take action and help this team member before it's too late. As the team leader, you'll receive notifications about changes in marketing activity of your individual team members, giving you a much better opportunity to help everyone maximize their performance and succeed in your business. Your business can't afford not to market online, so we made online marketing affordable. With Nowsite, you receive unlimited curated content to post on social media, as well as beautiful customized website. Your website has a blog section to give you a professional image and to optimize your website search engine ranking. You also have an automated email newsletter to send to your prospects to keep your business top of mind, and you will retarget your website visitors with optimized online advertising to keep them coming back to your website over and over again. All of these features are powered by an incredible analytics engine and an integrated customer relationship management system. And you get access to our team's suite of features to keep every member of your team producing great results. You get all of this here at Nowsite, starting at just $87 per month. We look forward to helping you get started having a professional online presence. Welcome to Nowsite Marketing. Please get back to the person who shared this presentation with you.